Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, we got ourselves a little unboxing. Let's see what we got, everybody. Can you guys see them right here? Look at them. You know, it ain't a shout out, but I guess you can call it a shout out. Adventure Time RC. Man, you got me hooked on these micros. This is a 1/18 scale on this side over here, and this one's a 1/24 scale. And the company that puts these out is IMAX. Alright, these things come anodized aluminum chassis frame rails. It's got the chassis mounted servo. It's got the scale pre-tuned spring shocks. It's got the standard front and rear lights. Yeah, this thing comes with LED light kit on it as well. High torque transmission system. Aggressive tread MT tires. And these things got internal beadlock wheels. They classify these as waterproof electronics, and ready for this, these things have got FPV. These things already got the auxiliary outputs for FPV. Of course, you got to buy the FPV for it, but this thing's already set up for it. So that's a win-win. Awesome. Let's get these things out of the box, man. Let's see what we got. And there they are, guys. Look at them in all their little glory. We're gonna look at this one first. Let's move this little guy out of the way. Even though he's cool too. There it is. This company's called IMAX. I mean, look at the suspension. And check out those tires. Good detail on those tires. Real soft. No foam, but that's okay. Good suspension, good articulation for these little guys. That's pretty good. Heck yeah. Let's see what else these things got. Oh yeah. It's a real spare tire. You can actually use this. Got spots for LED lights up top. LED lights already installed. Front and rear. Side mirrors. Look at that. Even got the little snorkel. Nice. Let's get this body off real quick, guys. Let's take a look at the inside. This thing comes standard with a LiPo battery as well. Imagine that. That thing is so cool. Man, I can't wait till I can get this thing out and run it. Body pins are so small, I gotta get a pair of needle nose after them. Body fits nice and tight. I like that. There's your LED light wires. You can unplug them right there. Give you an idea of the electronics. Man, this thing's cool. I like this. I like this thing a lot. Let's plug it in, give it a quick little spool. Thing's got an on and off switch. Look at that. You guys can see. Lights walk. Yeah, these things are gonna be cool. I never thought little trucks can be so much fun. That's cool. Let's get the other one looked at real quick, guys. This one as well is an IMAX company. This one's a 1/18 scale. This one's got nice chrome wheels. Same thing, nice soft pliable tires. 4-wheel drive, all time. A 4-link rear. Look at the cute little drive shaft. 3-link front, typical trail truck. This one's got the rock sliders already installed. Same thing. This one's got headlights in the front. Tail lights in the rear. And you see what they call this one. They can't call it a Chevy. They want to call it a jackhammer. Same type of suspension. Very nice. Let's get this body off real quick and let's see what the inside looks like. This one I have no batteries in the controller, so I can't turn it on and drive it around on the bench for you guys. But I want to at least show you the inside of it. There we go. Same typical setup. LED light wires. You can unplug it and remove them, so that's good. Man, this thing's gonna be fun. I can't wait till I can drive them. I'm gonna like these little trucks. I'm gonna see what they send in the packages as well. With this truck first, the jackhammer. We got ourselves a spare bumper, a different bumper. This one's got the little push bar up on top. This one doesn't. So, it's kind of a cleaner look. I don't know, maybe. Here's our bag of goodies. There's your charger, LiPo charger. There's your battery, 7.4 volt, 600 mAh battery. And they sent a set of hard springs. Nice. Maybe if you want to stiffen the suspension up. And of course your book with all your parts and stuff. I like that. With all your spare part book. That's going to be cool. And then little Phillips screwdriver. And then you got your wrench. Takes care of this truck. This little guy. One that's all happy. See what we got. You guys already seen the battery that's in there. And here is the charger for the LiPo battery. Got to get, it's a little USB plug so you can plug it in your car lighter, in your little plug-in in your car, or get a phone block and you can charge it. So you're always charged up. Little screwdriver. And then you got your T-wrench as well. And then your book with your spare parts. I like this because it breaks down all the parts. It breaks it down so you can see exactly, okay, I need just this piece, here's the part number. See, I like that, that's cool. The controllers are set up the same as like the mini T's and stuff like that. If you guys are not familiar with the mini T's, kind of going to show you a quick little thing in on here. Little foam handle. Good little spring loaded. Forward, brake, reverse. Pretty simple. Now, this little button right here. There's a button right here. You got to push that. Push it up. And then you can slide the remote apart. Don't worry guys, you didn't break it. See your little dots right here? There's another little button right there. You squeeze that in. There's where your batteries go in. Right there. Okay? Up here, it's got positive and negative on the top. Just look at that and then you'll know which way is what. Positives on the back side, negatives up front by the clip. So negatives by the clip. Put your batteries in, lock it back down, and then if you notice on how you took it apart, you got your little bump right here. That's where your finger goes. Okay? So you know that's going to be by your trigger. It's the easiest way to remember. And then you just line it up on the grooves if you can get it. I'll squeeze the hand button in a little bit. Line it up on the grooves and just lock it back in place. And she's ready to go. It's that simple on battery install or changing. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get this closed out, and we're going to do a run video with this thing in the near future. I appreciate it, guys. Man, so what do you guys think of these little guys? I like them. Thanks a lot, Adventure RC, Adventure Time RC. It's not a bad thing. Appreciate it, man. I love these things. I can't believe I didn't get these things sooner. Remember, company's called IMAX. Real inexpensive. This little guy, ready to run, $109 for a 124 scale. Ready to run out of the box. All you need is 4 AAA batteries for the remote. And, of course, charge a battery, but that's a ripper. Awesome. This little guy, same thing. Ready to run out of the box. This one is a little more, but you get a little more bang for your buck, too. This thing is a 1/18 scale. Alright, this one is $139. And you got a different bumper. And same thing, ready to run. All you need to do is charge the battery for the truck and get 4 AAA batteries for the remote. So it's a win-win. These things are awesome, and I wanted to share it with you guys. You know, I've been getting into the crawling thing that you see behind me. I got my Axial back there. I got my Remo back there. Now I got 2 more to add to the collection. So we're gonna tear it up, guys. We're gonna have some fun with these little guys. And I'm really hoping to get Lee's RC out here and let him rip out this little guy, see what he thinks. So I appreciate it, everybody. Thanks for tuning in.